Dear colleagues and fellow faculty, it is my turn to say a few well-chosen words to you in our school vlog. Those that know me better know that I have a tendency to talk a lot and sometimes far too long. I was told that my previous vlog was far too long, so I will really try to be short and concise. This vlog, I only have two messages. The first one is the upcoming event, which some of you may already have heard of. It's actually an individual event, so it's not a big one that gathers all of us, but it's a one where you are in focus. And that is the coming utvecklingssamtal or development dialogue. I'm sure that you speak very often to your manager and to your colleagues and peers. But every once in a while, it's important to sit down together with your manager and agree what's really the plan for the coming year? What's went well in the past? And what should I improve? And what can we together improve for the coming year? That's the utvecklingssamtal, the development dialogue. You will shortly be invited by your immediate manager to have such a meeting during April and May. This is both something which is mandated that KTH offers all its employees, but it's above all a very good opportunity to sit down and talk about this together with your manager so that you both have reasonable expectations on each other and that you have reasonable expectations on KTH and vice versa. So that's one thing, the development dialogue. It's a good one and make sure to use it. The other message I have in this little blog is faculty development, promotions, and docent appointments. As you know, there's a couple of policies and guidelines set up both by KTH and also partly by the school, in which we are trying to explain how you can, as faculty then, achieve the requirements that are set forth for promotions and also being appointed a docent. Now, this, of course, is very closely tied to how you perform and good things that you do, both within teaching and research, and above all, how you can contribute to KTH and how you can work together with KTH to develop your career. Now, it's not a coincidence that I bring up both of these two messages in the same vlog. Because if you're left on your own and you have no idea on how to fulfill the requirements for, say, promotion or a docent degree, it's very difficult to do so. And it's very difficult to figure out if the work that you're doing fulfills all the criteria that are available in some arcane policy somewhere. That's why you should make sure to use the upcoming utvecklingssamtal or development dialogue to discuss with your manager what are things I need to do in order to make sure that I can fulfill the requirements for promotion, if not this year, perhaps next or the year after. So in conclusion, I hope I was able to fit two important messages into a maximum of 3 minutes, and I hope to hear back from you all when I meet you that you had a really good utvecklingssamtal or development dialogue together with your manager. See you next time.